In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo on Canva for Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean, square logo file ready to upload to your Shopify store, and you'll understand exactly why each setting matters. First, open Canva in your browser or app so you're looking at the main dashboard. Here, locate the custom size option. This lets you control the canvas dimensions from the start, which is important for getting a crisp result on your store. Select inches as the unit. On both width and height, type 12. A 12 by 12 inch square gives you a large, high-resolution workspace that scales down well for the Shopify header without getting blurry. Now click Create Design to open your blank canvas. Next, click Elements. This is where you'll find shapes and icons to build a simple, memorable mark. In the search bar, type what you have in mind, maybe a geometric shape or an icon that reflects your brand, and press Enter. Drag the shape or icon onto your canvas. From here, resize it by dragging the corners and use the color picker to match your brand colors. Keep the design simple and balanced. Logos look best when they're easy to recognize at small sizes. Try centering your icon and leaving comfortable space around the edges so it doesn't feel cramped in the Shopify header. If you want to compare variations, duplicate the element and try a second color or layout before choosing your favorite. Once you're happy with the look, it's time to download. Click the download option and select PNG as the file type. PNG is ideal for logos because it preserves quality and, if available in your plan, supports a transparent background so your logo sits cleanly on any header color. If you see a transparent background option, turn it on for a professional finish. Give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly later, then download it to your device. Now go to Shopify, open your admin, then click Online Store. Click Edit Theme to open your theme settings. Look for the logo section. This is where themes typically let you replace the store's logo. Click to upload the PNG logo you just created. After it uploads, check the preview to ensure it looks sharp and fits well in the header. If it appears too large or too small, return to your Canva design, adjust the element size within that same 12 by 12 canvas, download again as PNG, and re-upload in Shopify until it looks just right. That's it. Open Canva, set a 12-inch square, design with elements, download as PNG, then upload in Shopify under your theme's logo settings.